You guys got a cab-high fiberglass top here by Eagle, specifically built for the 2001 to 2005 Chevy GMC 2500 crew cab, 6.5 foot bed, but it fit the 99 to 06 Chevy's short beds just well. It's just that the 2500 HDs from the 2001 to 2005 are a ½ inch taller. So this would be just a ½ inch taller than one that would be off of a 99 to 06 body style, regular cab or extended cab. Does have some paint issues. It's got some paint chip marks. It's got some clear coat peel at the top. Does have a bunch of paint chips all over here. It's probably been repainted, if I had to guess. You can see you've got paint issues on the edge of the window there. Right there on that one as well. Bottom edge kind of scratched up a little bit. Let's have the quarter side sliders in the side. Front is a picture window. See the paint flakes and then the clear coat chip, paint chips and the clear coat flakes on the top there. Some more scratches over here on the side. So it has a picture window in the front. The side has some scratches on this side as well. Pretty much all the way down through here. A lot of it is probably on more just paint coming off than scratches, but there's a flake here around the edge here. Some paint scratches right there. So it does have the quarter side sliders on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Small scratch right there. I don't believe actually that this was repainted. I think this is a factory paint job that's just failing. Screens are in good shape on the side. Let's have the tilt-in window in the front, so the front window tilts down. Flip these levers here. That releases the window, allows it to open up, so that you can access the cab front cap of the window, and then the back of the cab of the truck. And latches back up like so. Screens have a couple holes on this side here. One right there. A couple right there. You got one back there. This windows slide on the sides of their third quarter sliders. There's the serial number there. There it is, cab-high fiberglass top, specifically built for the 2001 to 2005 Chevy GMC 2500 HDs with a 6.5 foot bed. But also, like I said, it'll work on the 99 to 06 bodies. It's going to be about a ½ inch tall on the cab. White in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it's at, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, deck storage units, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our units, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations.